Being a new mum is such a fun and rewarding experience, and at times it is exhausting, but it is probably one of the best jobs in the world. But it can be very daunting the first time your baby gets sick, and it's quite hard to know what to do. So it's really important for mums to know how to manage a fever properly. So with this in mind, and to support mums, especially for when their babies are sick, I decided to take the opportunity to seek out some expert advice, and this is for the Nurofen for Children Fever Fighters campaign, and chat to Dr. Sinead Beirne, who is GP and new mum. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Even though I've just had my third baby, I'm still unsure as to what actually constitutes a fever, temperature-wise.
Yeah, a normal temperature for a baby is anything in the range between 36 and 36.8 degrees Celsius. That's what we consider normal.
Yeah.
And then a fever is a temperature that's over 37.8 degrees Celsius on more than one consecutive reading.
So you're at home then, and your baby gets a fever. What exactly do you need to do?
Okay, so if your baby is under 3 months,
Yeah.
you need to get them to a doctor if you have identified that they definitely have a temperature. Now, if they're over 3 months, you can treat that very effectively at home. So, the first thing I would do is to strip them off and get them down to their vest. You can also pop them into a lukewarm bath. And then, there is brilliant medication out there, ibuprofen or paracetamol, to actually bring down the temperature and to help with pain. Read the label, obviously, before you give your child medication.
What's the best thing you can do once they've lost their appetite?
Yeah, don't worry too much if they're not eating the same amount of solids. Hydration with fluids is much more important.
Sinead, finally then, when should a parent seek advice from their GP?
If your child has a temperature and they're under 3 months, that's a no-brainer. You need to get to the GP and get them investigated. But if they're over 3 months, these fevers can be managed very effectively at home if the temperature is staying up, persisting at over 38.5 degrees Celsius, or if that temperature is going on for more than 2 days. It's really at that point that you need to go to the GP.
Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed our chat, and you also learned a little bit on how to fight the fever. But in the meantime, enjoy your small people. They grow up so quickly, and it's such a special time.